The youngest murder suspect ever charged in the state of Washington is getting a new trial.
13-year-old Craig Sorger was stabbed and beaten to death in Anafarta Park. Two of his classmates, who were just 12 at the time, were convicted of the killing. But today, the Court of Appeals ruled that Evan Savoie was denied his right to a public trial and ordered the case back to Grant County. KXLY4's Melissa Luck has covered this case for 8 years. She's here now with more on today's decision.
Well, Nadine, I remember talking to people in Ephrata the night after Craig was murdered. It's a case that shocked that small town then and the nation as they saw two young kids charged with a horrific crime. Craig Sorger was stabbed more than 30 times. His autopsy pictures shown in court showed a little boy's face frozen in fear. Evan Savoie and Jake Aiken had been playing in the park with Craig the night he died. They said he fell out of a tree and they got scared and ran away, and that someone else must have come along later and stabbed Craig. Because the defense could have implicated the Sorgers in their son's murder, they were given their own attorney. And when the family's private records were discussed in court, the judge closed the courtroom to the public. The appeals court said today that violates Savoie's right to a public trial and said he should be retried. Today, Evan Savoie's mom told me she always knew this day would come.
My son is what's kept me confident. He kept saying this day would come, and it did. And all I can say is I am so thankful those judges saw what everybody else seen, and I hope this time he gets a fair trial.
Evan Savoie turns 21 in a few weeks. He's serving his time at the Airway Heights Correction Center. His earliest scheduled release date before this decision was 2028. It's not clear yet when a new trial will begin. The Grant County prosecutor did not return my phone calls today. I'm Melissa Luck, KXLY4 HD News.